Hello everyone and welcome to the first assembly of the academic year. Can I just start by saying a big thank you to everyone for how well they followed the rules, the guidelines last week to make sure that we all stay safe at this time. So I brought you to the garden. You might recognise the garden from one of our Monday assemblies where I had my little Lego figures and stormtroopers from Star Wars in amongst my fledgling plants at that time. Well, it's the time of year, autumn, where we're starting to harvest. So if you come on in, have a look at these, zoom in. That's it, Mrs. Ellis, come on in, have a look. So that's the potatoes we've collected so far. I wanted to tell you that it was 6 months ago, just around the time we closed school for everybody, that I planted some potato seeds like this. And they've all grown in this lovely rich soil here. And we're just at the moment about to dig them up. So would you like to see? Come on in. The plants have died back, so they're not green anymore. That's what used to be the potatoes. But come on in, get nice and deep, and you can come and have a look here now. So I'm going to dig in, pull up, and look at that. There's all those potatoes. So off their roots. And tonight we'll be boiling these, putting them with a bit of butter, and having a nice meal. So I'll see you in a bit when I'll be back in my office and giving you a few more bits of information and a bit more about the new year when I've finished gardening. Bye. Welcome to my office, everyone. I know many of you will recognise this room from our Monday assemblies. Okay, one important message for today's assembly, and that's the word safety. You've been brilliant so far coming back to school and following the rules. So I want to go over the rules one more time at the start of this week to make sure we all know what to do to keep ourselves and everybody else safe. So listen carefully. This poster tells us 6 important ways we can keep the coronavirus out of our school and our homes. 3 of them are very important to you. Firstly, you must wash your hands thoroughly for at least 20 seconds. This will kill any virus or germs. Next, if you've got a cold or a sniffle, you need to use a tissue to catch it when you blow your nose. Bin it by putting the tissue in the bin with a lid on and closing the lid, and then making sure you're killing any bacteria or germs on your hands by washing them thoroughly again for 20 seconds. Remember, always follow the rules that your teachers tell you and stay in your bubbles or year groups. So remember, washing your hands is very important. It not only helps you to stay safe, but it helps everyone else to stay safe too. Thank you for helping our school and our community keep everybody safe. So I thought I'd end our assembly with a video that put a smile on all of our faces right at the start of lockdown. If you remember a good video you would like me to show again, then please talk to me when I'm around school or tell your teacher and I'll try and find it out from the computer. So, to finish, here's one I probably reckon all of you could join in and sing along to. Play the video.
Listen to what the